the time when the oceans drank Atlantis and the rise of the sons of Arius, there was an age undreamed of. And unto this, destined to bear the jeweled crown, let me tell you of the days of high adventure.
Down the right wing, he has Johnson down the slot. Aaron Johnson with the shot. He scores! The Condor! He soars again! The Avs have won in overtime 3-2. They're going to the Stanley Cup playoffs and they finish it off in style. Johnson gets the perfect feed from McKinnon and he rips it by Hellebuck, baby. It's a 3-2 win.
Couldn't be a better finish. The Condor flies up on a pass from McKinnon. Look at the celebration. What a goal, Pete. Isn't that, you know, you like to win, you had the point, but you know what, you went out in style. That's going out in style for the Colorado Avalanche, let me tell you.
Cole gets it through to Compher, in on the right wing. JT Compher centers, they score! Tyson Jost!
Gerard is a very difficult guy to handle. Watch the spinner and that's Preseason. I mean, these guys know what they're doing when they're coming out to the point, but that spin is so hard to read. And we kept saying last year they're going to figure it out. Well, they're not. They're not going to figure it out because he has the ability to turn to his left, to his right.
The first period of his first game in the NHL, and he scored in the Stanley Cup playoffs. Amazing!
Right from below his own goal line. Buy some time right here. Gets Vandervelde. There he gets Cousins. See you later. And this one on Gudas. Good night. That is so pretty. What a pass.
Coyotes will set it up, get a Stroza, but it's taken away by Matt Nieto. One of the penalty killers. He brings it back against Goligoski, and he drops one, and the shot, they score! Short-handed goal. I believe that's JT Compher who's back in the lineup, and it's a 1-0 Avalanche lead.
I was just going to say how important that first goal is to the Coyotes. A different team when they're not chasing the game. And typically it's the Coyotes that create turnovers like that. Vinny Hinostroza turns it over, back. Nieto comes the other way. And a shot over the right shoulder. Blocker side. Guy by Compher. Not sure if Antti Raanta was screened by his defenseman on that shot. Right in Colorado gas.
And he's in, and he scores. What a return for JT Compher. 2 shorthanded goals.
Well, I don't care whether you're even strength, 4-on-4 or on the power play. Turnover there by Oliver Ekman-Larsson. It's about puck management. It was Hinostroza on the first shorty, Oliver on the second one, and both times it's Compher. And how about this move? Backhand, forehand, shelf. Over the glove this time of Antti Raanta. He gets him moving and puts
the puck to hurdle inside the blue line. Out of the box, Carlson, the Sharks full strength. Donskoy gets it to the front of the net, goes back against the...
And there's a big hit by Cole as he steps into Jankowski, and Bennett goes after Cole and starts throwing right hands. Sam Bennett immediately steps in for his teammate Jankowski. Is back on his feet. And you can see that hit coming as Cole came all the way across the ice. And the fans like what Bennett does, defending his teammate.
And you're right, Rick. We can see this whole play developing, and Cole read it as well. Jankowski going down the tunnel also. Suicide pass right there, and Cole knew it right away. Also, he dropped his gloves knowing that Bennett's coming after him.
The Mariners will try the right wing side intended for Archibald.
Another good hit there, middle of the ice. McKinnon takes the worst of that.
Yeah, now Ronaldo wants to go after somebody.
Oh, yeah.
They're going to jump Ronaldo. Eric Johnson and Zach Ronaldo.
Oh, he's swinging for the fences here.
Zach Ronaldo and Eric Johnson. And this thing has heated up.
Was it ever in the worst way? Johnson took exception to that hit on McKinnon.
And now McKinnon's going with Archibald. And they're going.
Two guys I don't think can scrap a lot. Good job. And Landeskog having words with Ronaldo as well. Great job all the way around here. This is getting fun. Gerard took one. Ronaldo thought that Gerard was going to drop the gloves with him. Gerard wanted nothing to do with him. And Ronaldo pops him right in the mouth. And that's when Johnson came in. And they were chucking for the fences. Those were some...
They rap about, and I know they know this. I don't wanna be dying on that winter solstice, but I know they gave a clue like they killing hostess. Dropping when we get it on, you know we got the mostest. Get it when I'm free in there, knowing that I said again. When the world ends, we'll be rocking out like R.E.M. If you pass the noise, won't you blast the noise? I'm fucking old school, playing like those asteroids. Everything you looking at, and you know I got the truth.
Center, pass on left wing, Nielsen back in, puts on the brakes half court left side. Walks to the play by Devin Stempler. Gets a belt from Ethan Ernst. Ernst can't clear. Byram kept it in left point. Byram takes away. Ethan Ernst. He'll walk in left. A wrister. He'll score! Oh, Byram, a shot. It was a rising wrister.
One game of the past 7. And the Giants change that on the White Spot power play. Byram going to take it coast to coast on a backhand. Scores!
Right on cue.
Making 2 highlight reels.